Hello everyone, I'm Miss Chen. Today we are going to learn some more basic structures. Are you ready? Let's go! The first structure is the left, middle, right structure. As you can see, there are three parts in each character. It's left, middle, and right. And the second one is the upper, middle, lower structure. Just like the left, middle, right structure, there are also three parts in each character. These are the two structures that we need to learn today. They are not that difficult. If you want to make your handwriting neater, you need to pay attention to the balance among the three parts. It's a good practice to write like this. Here is a small task for you. Please tell me the structures of these characters. Good luck, you can do it! This is the end of our last class together. So thanks a lot for watching all of my video classes and good luck with learning Chinese in the future. Goodbye!